Hi guys. The print media ad that I chose to use was Men's Health Magazine, which is now uh, obviously has a subscription, um, digital subscription as well. I used to purchase this magazine quite frequently in my early to mid 20s, those college years, and right after that. I would like to consider those some pretty naive years, not just in referencing this magazine, but I feel like they did their job with people like me in my early to mid 20s. Um, Trying to use their marketing schemes to promote and sell the magazine, and I'm going to talk about that here in a minute. But they really direct this magazine to people that are interested in living a healthy lifestyle, so kind of in that mid 20s to mid 40s range. So I want you to take a look at this with me. Up here, it's talking about, and I want you to notice the words that they use. Power words that I would consider best, faster, amazing, ultimate, instantly, um, all, huge word here, big. So these are just some of the buzzwords that they use to draw you in because, as I talked about in the writing section of this, we're kind of living in that microwavable society where everybody is looking for those get fit, get healthy, get whatever quick schemes that people are falling into. And I get the idea behind this is obviously you're getting into the business to sell these magazines, and you have hired a lot of professional people to come in and pick the descriptions on the front of these magazines because, quite frankly, after you've purchased the magazine, that is their main goal. The content inside is usually does not quite match up with the instantaneous words that they use on the front because once you get in and start to read the articles, it always comes down to this. To get the results that you want, it's going to take time, it's going to take energy, it's going to take effort, discipline. You have to do the work. There is no instant, there is no quick schemes that work when it comes to health, fitness, education, being a lifelong learner. So I wanted to make a couple adjustments to the magazine, and I know the guys, this is fantasy world because that microwavable society is what sells the hot takes and things like that with the um, in 2019. But if I were to be able to change anything on this magazine, up here where it says your best summer body, oh, I do like the fact that they say your, so they're not completely lumping everybody all into one. They're kind of individualizing it because remember, everybody's body reacts differently to food, to supplements, to stress, to working out, and all those things. So I like that they're individualizing it to yours. Now, underneath it, it's talking about flatten your belly, sculpt a V-shaped torso, and burn fat faster. Well, um, I'm okay with the flatten your belly part because it's not something that is completely unattainable. I would probably say something more like improve your gut health because that is something that we all can attain. Improve your torso shape. It is not realistic for most people to get a V-shaped torso that we are all shooting for. This comes down to a lot of diet, a lot of genetics, and things like that. So I think you're setting people up for failure when you're using that word V-shaped, because if you don't come up with that V shape, you kind of feel like you've failed. Burn fat faster. I might say something like increase your ability to burn fat. We all want to burn fat faster. Um, and once you look into that, I'm sure when you get in this magazine and read the article, it's going to be talking about some different things that require discipline. So Those are just some of the things I would change there. If we move down the left side here, uh, and I know that this is a complete sell job here where it says amazing sex tonight. Well, me being a little bit old fashioned, a little old school, um, I would probably say something instead of this. I might say something like honor your wife tonight. And I know that wouldn't be as sexy or as marketable, but that's just me, and that's something that I would put on this cover. Um, Look better instantly. Here you go. They're using that word instantly. I would probably say something along the lines of um, if you want to be better, um, it will require discipline, something like that. Um, Obviously, we all want to look better, um, we want to feel better, and things like that. But I think when you say something like instantly, you're kind of being leading people down a wrong path there because looking better and feeling better are things that don't happen instantly. So I would probably change that wordage to be better will require discipline. Here's one that all men would love to see up in the top right. All you can eat. Chow down and stay lean. Um, Obviously, this is not mean that you're going to go to a buffet 7 nights a week and eat whatever you want. So there's kind of some manipulation there. And again, it seems simple, but people would probably buy into this magazine because they like to overeat. And in reality, what this is talking about is likely eating a lot of protein that is not real exciting. You know, your fish, your chicken, and just any lean meats, and just probably all you can eat green and leafy vegetables. So if that really excites you, then chow down. I would probably say something more like this: to eat clean, to enjoy a healthy lifestyle, something that's more attainable, something that's more realistic. Moving down, it says big arms now. Yes, so get them right now. Big arms right now. I would probably say something if this is, because there's an arrow pointing to Mr. Efron's triceps here. I would say something maybe like "want big arms?" question mark. And like my guys from the Focus 3 podcast, Tim and Brian Kite always say, do the work. You want big arms? Question mark. Do the work. At the bottom here, I don't really have a problem with this. Are you ninja fit? Take our test. I would say that probably 99.9% of the people will fail that, but it probably is something that would be entertaining to find out. If you ever watched American Ninja Warrior, there's not a whole lot of people that can do that when you notice that their backgrounds are all usually some sort of professional athlete, gymnast, things like that. So, are you ninja fit? I'm okay with that. I would actually kind of like to take that test myself. And then down here at the bottom, 597. So they want you to know that it's a large number of best new fitness, sex, nutrition, and health secrets. And then you can see Mr. Zac Efron there on the cover, and somebody that's relevant right now. He's currently in that Netflix movie depicting Ted Bundy, the serial killer. So, to answer the question, coming back to why did you feel the need to redesign? Well, I get, and this is just kind of fantasy. Like I said again, I get that these things sell, these words, these instantaneous words. But I would like to take us back to more an old school, more of a realistic approach to health and fitness and overall well-being. That was my ultimate goal in this redesign.